How can I troubleshoot issues with Realtek Digital Output on my device?
Hello and welcome. Today, we will tackle the problem of troubleshooting issues related to Realtek Digital Output on your device. If you're experiencing issues such as no sound or distorted audio, then you're at the right place. Let's dive in and resolve the issues together.
What is Realtek Digital Output?
Before we start troubleshooting, let's understand what Realtek Digital Output is. It's the audio output stream that your Realtek sound driver is providing. This could be to any digital device such as speakers, headphones, or a TV connected to your device.
Check the hardware connections.
The first step in troubleshooting is to verify your hardware connections. Check your audio devices such as speakers or headphones. Are they plugged in correctly? Are the cables damaged? These basic checks can often solve the problem.
Is the Realtek Digital Output set as default?
Another common issue arises if the Realtek Digital Output is not set as the default sound device on your computer. To verify this, navigate to the sound settings on your device, click on the Playback tab, and ensure that Realtek Digital Output is set as the default device.
Updating or reinstalling Realtek audio drivers.
Outdated or corrupted drivers could also be the cause of the problem. You might need to update or reinstall your Realtek audio drivers. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the device manager on your device, find the Realtek audio driver under Sound, Video and Game Controllers, and either update it or uninstall and then reinstall it.
Checking sound enhancements.
Sometimes, sound enhancements on your device might interfere with the sound output. To check this, navigate to the speaker properties on your device, click on the Enhancements tab, and try disabling all enhancements. So there you have it. We've walked through several steps to troubleshoot issues with the Realtek Digital Output on your device. I hope you find these tips helpful. Remember, the key to troubleshooting is patience and systematic problem solving. Keep testing and you'll identify the problem. If all else fails, consider reaching out to a professional. Happy troubleshooting!